Hi everyone, how are we? I trust we are well. Okay, today I'm going to share with you one of the way to trade forex using the fundamental analysis. All right, like I said in my previous videos, to say we have three types of analysis, which is one, the technical one, then the sentiment, and the last one, the fundamental analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis, this is analysis that is based on live events, news, and so on. All right. And the technical one is where we apply the strategies of using indicators, using the candlesticks, which are the charts. All right, we have the last one, which is the sentiment analysis. The sentiment analysis, this is one of the market maker trading method where they check using some certain website, which I'm going to share in the next video. What you do, just subscribe to the channel so that once I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. All right, I'm going to talk about the sentiment analysis in the next video. So for now, let's focus on the fundamental analysis. Okay, so I have an app that I use to trade the fundamental analysis. You can just go to your Play Store. All right, you can just go to your Play Store and search for Invest. Uh, okay, Okay, there is an app. It's already installed in my phone. So what you do, you can also install the application. All right. So there it is. It's installed already. So I will just go to the same so that I walk you through. Right. So this is an application which is mostly used by traders to check or to trade sorry, to trade fundamental analysis. Okay, just wait, it's loading. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's open, depending on the default that you depending on the default that it will come with when you install it. But this is my default. All right, so don't mind about this. So what you do, you look, just go down there, you see where there's markets, news, calendars, watch list, and also more as well. All right, so I'll click on watch list. Okay, so these are some of the components or the commodity that one of the strategy that I use to trade Nasdaq. All right, so these are my watch list that I have saved, that gave me, sorry for this advert, that gave me an idea. All right, so right now we are going to go to our business on how we trade the fundamental analysis using this application. All right, so here down there is news, there is calendar. You go to the calendar. All right, so as you can see, um, it's giving me a list of events for today. All right, all these are the events for today. So if you want, you can check for yesterday by clicking there on top where it's written yesterday. You see, these were the events that took place yesterday. All these you can see. So today, which is our business, And the advantage of this app is you can check even for tomorrow, before tomorrow. You can check for the future events. You can as you can see there on top is written tomorrow. So if I want to check for tomorrow, I want to know the event that will be there tomorrow, as you can see, being Friday today. So we only have these three events. Okay, so we have also for the entire week. You can still check for the entire week. This is one of the advantages of this app. You can check even, let me say, on Sunday. I can check for the events for the entire week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I can even set a reminder on my phone for particular events that I would want to trade or to concentrate on. Okay, you can check also for the coming week if you want, just by clicking right there on top where it's written next week. You can check. Let's see the advantages of this app. So if you are using a laptop, you can, or a computer, you can simply go to their website, where in the website it even shows for the whole month. It can even show you for the entire year. All right, all right. So now, how do you use this for you um, to trade news, or if you are trading technical analysis, in order for you to avoid news? Because news, usually the market, they move crazily, uh, where some people do end up wiping their accounts, some people end up making massive profits. All right, so let's say we got for today. So this is sorry for this advert. Okay, okay. So I'll go for today's news. So let's wait for it to open. Okay, so these are the news for today. So now, in Forex, as you can see on your left side, on your left hand side, as you can see, these there are some heads before the currency. There are also timings. As you can see, timings. Let me go for the first one. Okay, so the first one, which is low one, 01 hours KR. This is a currency, KR currency. Okay, we have also Japanese yen, which is JPY, which this event will take place at 0130. All right. So as you can see right there on your left side, where there is time, then down the time, where we've got two heads, three heads of cows. These are bulls. All right. These are bulls. So now we are going to concentrate on where you see three heads. As you can see, most of these events, they are just having one head, one head. All right, as you can see, they are just having one head, which is painted white, and the other two, they are braid. Amen. All right. So um, we are going to concentrate so much on the three white painted heads, because those are the markets that usually move. Sorry, those are the events that usually move the market crazily. All right. So how are you going to do that? The first thing that you do is you go right there on top. As you can see, those three lines on top of your screen. All right, where there is a search symbol or search sign, then before search sign there is those three lines. All right, so you click on those three lines, which are the filters. So what you do, if you haven't switched on the filters, you switch it on. So when you switch it on, I would rather, as you can see, there is a tick there which is ticked on the custom. So you go on the default. All right, it's better to use default. All right. So once you are done, then you come down there where there is low, medium, and also high. So what you are going to do, you tick on the high and you untick the low. Why we do this is we want just the events that have got three heads. As you can see, the first one, which is low, is one head. The third one, which is medium, is two heads. Then the last one is three heads. So this one, the medium one, these ones they don't move the market, but it's 50-50. All right. But for the third one, which is high, this one's probably 95% most of the times. This one they move the market crazily. All right, so you tick right there. So once I'm done, then you click the arrow which is pointing back. All right, so as you can see, it has even changed here. So here is just showing the high impact news, which is the CNY, which is manufacturing PMI. All right, so we have also the Great Britain pound, which is GBP. So GBP, we have the GDP for today. We have also at 8 hours, we had GBP, also GDP, all right, which is almost the same. So as you can see, this arrow, the demarcation, um, this line where there is a time 10, 12. So this one, these events which are on top of this line is simply showing that these events have already passed according to my time zone where I am. All right, so right now we are expecting now the one at 11 hours and the time is 10:12. As you can see on the arrow is indicated, even on the time on the phone is indicated. All right, then the one which is at 11 hours is euro, which is CPI. All right, so this event is gonna probably move the market crazily. All right, then the next one, which is at 14:30, is this one is a medium news. As you can see, showing two heads. All right, so this one is gonna probably move, or the market is not going to move at all. All right, so we are going to, so when you are trading the using fundamental analysis, you concentrate so much on the news that moves the market. All right, which is the high impact news, which is showing three heads. And um and um this one also is one of the things you need to uh, take note of. uh, Personally, I would recommend using or trading pairs which are the major pairs. All right, so probably the video is coming soon where I'm going to talk about the best currencies, or the best currency pair or stocks, or metals or indices that um, um, that which are the best when it comes to trading news. You don't just trade any other pair. There are certain pairs that you need to focus on when you are trading news to avoid um, attacking your account. All right. So in short, this is how we are going to, this is what I'm going to share with you for today on how you trade fundamental analysis. So I'll just give an example for you so that Christy, you have an idea even as you're waiting for the second coming video that I'm going to upload. So what you do, just subscribe so that once I upload the video, you'll be definitely notified. All right, so let me give an example of euro, this event that you are expecting at 11 hours. So 11 hours you're expecting a euro, which is a European event, CPI. So the currency that you are going to focus on is a currency pair that has euro. either as a base or as a court currency, but probably a court currency. All right. So euro, this one can be euro, US dollar. This one can be GBP, US dollar. This one they are almost the same, GBP and also euro. Most of the time, they they when we're expecting an event like this one, which is euro, we also expect a GBP also to be moved, or any pair with GBP to crazily move either downwards or upward. All right. So in short, this is how you are going to be trading. You focus on euro, US dollar as a currency pair that has euro. Amen. All right. So, okay. Okay. Yo, thank you so much for watching for today. So, um, you are going to, I believe you have now an idea. All right. You have now an idea on how to trade the currency pair. Sorry, I thought I was in church. So, don't mind about that. So, just concentrate on your journey, your trading journey. All right, so subscribe. The next time we're going to look again on another topic. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you. May God bless you in your trading journey. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching. All right.